Here is the final delivery, our men's footwear shop. This is the landing page with a hero section, and this button leads to shop. Then we have a 3-column section with product categories, all with the hover effects. Up next is the featured products. This is set to 6 products. We can increase the number as well. After featured products, we have a full width banner with hover effects. Then comes the best selling or the top selling items. This is set to 4 items. Next come is the products on sale. And then we have our about section with the accordion. And in the end, we have our 4-column footer with the copyright text. Now we are going to see our shop page. That's our shop page. Here we are using a sidebar with the product search, product categories, product filter. Now this product filter is sticky to the screen, and also that header is sticky on scroll. When I scroll down and reach 150 pixels or 100 pixels, this comes into action. This is sticky. This remains sticky as long as I am scrolling, and when I reach 250 pixels down, see here, this becomes sticky, and this will stay on the screen as long as I am scrolling down. And when I reach the footer, this will start moving up. The footer will push that section up. This is how this is designed. When I move up, this comes back to its previous position, and I reach 100 pixels here, it starts coming down. This is how this one works. And then we have 3-column interface in our shop with 21 items on every page. And then we have here variable products, right? This is the product gallery. This is product description, quite long description. These are related products and footer section. Now we're going to see our product variations. First we have here is the color and the size. When I change the size, the images changes with every variation. Right? When I change the color to black and white, the image changes, and I choose size 9, is using the same image. Size 8 is having a different image. Size 7, same image. This is the way how we create our variable products. Okay, now we're going to have a look at our contact page. It's a very simple page with a contact form. That contact form is having a quiz to provide the protection from bots, no spamming. Then we have a social media section here and a footer. Up next is the my account page, where the new users can register and the old users can log in. And after that we have checkout. This is currently empty. Then comes the basket. The basket is also empty, so no items are displaying right now. So that's all for now. Thank you so much.